Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim, Pure Niceness Obayaso. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, drop a comment, let me know this is your first, second, or third time, and I'll give you an official welcome. To my Kim Squad members who don't miss a beat, to that one that's always running in the back, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Mwah. I always for some reason have that phone in my hand. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all know I got mad love for you guys already. Also, remember to go over to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Instagram name KIIMII_official. That is Kimmy_official on Instagram. Go and follow me fast on my business. Let's get it going. So today the video that I'll be doing, yeah, as it says in the title, guys, I will be reacting to my old pictures. Now I'm not gonna turn this into a roast because I am still that girl, but all the things are going for them picture there. So let's look at them together. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so somebody say Kim always a laugh. Anytime Kim laugh, me start laughing. I was a laugh to the happy people like me. It takes much to get us down. If I'm sad, something definitely wrong. Something's definitely wrong. I'm just doing at the mood. But anyway, so the first picture that I have for you guys is this one. Let me explain. I have, I think, a red eyeshadow in here, so blue out here, so, and gold over here, so. First of all, guys, I didn't do this to myself. I know you're looking at it and you're going, "Kakafat." I didn't do this to myself, okay? When my family member did I get married, and then Grace pan the lip. When my family member get married, and my older sister Denise was tasked with ensuring that our faces looked wedding ready. This was Denise's version of wedding ready. So this wasn't my fault. This is all Denise, right? But anyway, whatever look I was trying to achieve, you know, something definitely going this. So it's safe to say I don't like the picture. But anyway, let's move on. Let's move on. So this other picture we're looking at is, I think, one of the first time I bleach my hair. It's up your saw and around your saw. And I've always been the girl that wore her hair in a bun. So I have on my bun. This is actually the same day I'm feel cute, so I'm like, anyway. Anyway. Woo! I don't know. You know that short I can still fit me though. Because I did something stretchy, I still wear it today. Yeah, all clothes. But yeah, guys, definitely. I don't know what to say about that. I love me. Let me say this though, guys. I'm mostly face shots me have because I'm mostly self-imitate me don't. I've never been the full body picture girl. But anyway, this is a full body picture still. Let me explain what's happening here. Maybe even turn up the phone so we can see it brighter. So this picture was taken in 2016. So first of all, I have on my school shoes. Me used to wear the shoes I got class. You know, even though I look so in the picture, I actually just look a bit neat. I'm always like them kind of shoes there. These are the shoes that when I was way younger, I used to call them granny shoes. But start go to school, slip and go. So I don't know what to say. This is actually the day when I saw my dad. This was 2016 when my dad came. Because
my dad doesn't live here. And then they tell me, say, we are go at airport.
Go pick up one of Denise's friend. Why would I dress like this to go to the airport with a backpack on? I have no idea. But at the time, I guess I thought it was working. So, yeah. And then this picture is one of my favorites. This is my dad. This was a happy day. But yeah. Yeah. Some of that girls now and them. I don't know why I'm gonna dress like that again for the airport. But let us leave it be. So next picture, guys. Alright. So this picture, yes. This picture. So we did at the beach. We went to Hellshaw in Portmore Hellshaw Day. Yeah. So this was beach day. My daddy did come. So the whole way we went to the beach. You see it? And me feel like say me did a girl. So I've always been, I'm gonna say thicker, negative the word thick in that case, yeah, than the rest of my siblings. Like even the older ones are skinnier than me. So everybody have on bikini. I mean just have on one full suit, a two-piece, but a full blouse and all these things. So yeah. Cause even when I did small, I did still thicker. So now, same day, I did I feel myself in a man. I was feeling myself throughout all of them pictures there. So anyway, moving on down to this tell you what I'm going right here. So yeah, because I'm my bathing suit and it will never come back feet, me get to wear my top again. So I think I was going to go Salt River or something. So yeah, my have on my nice look at my nice shades. My look flip flop, me ever wear them slippers in the house, and my look a nice bag. And that was me going to Salt River. And then woo, on to this picture. Truth be told, I think me that got me a pen. Or, you know what, I think me that got another tone. Yeah. Oh, my ear tight. Me did I go out in the town. And, yeah. I don't know why I was just like that. I was going to go to the town. So, yeah, that is it. Me think me did I carry myself, go out in the town to pick up something. And all that good stuff. So, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, that's me and DJ. And if you don't subscribe to DJ and Charmate, guys, go jump on them channel, subscribe, and watch the videos. So, let me explain what happened in that picture, yeah. So, this is when me think me did a hot girl. I remember that attempt to be a hot girl. So, I can't tell when last time even we want chain, you know? Chain on the neck. Not even necklace, but chain on the neck. Grey Marina with USA. Grey joggers me have on. And one white sneakers with gold. So the chain did gold too. And of course, I was wearing my gold earring. I look to knob them. Because I don't really like long earring. And one scarf around my neck. Why is DJ standing behind me? DJ ever stand up behind me? Is it because he has, since he left primary school, he get taller than me? So, if him stand up beside me, I have to lean up on him or something. So, he just stand up back at me. You know, most of the pictures that we took, once in past my height, he just ever the back of me. So, yep, that is for that picture. I just keep on going about my business. So, yeah, that is my explanation for that. And coming up next, right on at yeesh. Coming up next, that picture, me looking like a gladiator on the 14th of April 2017. I'll tell you what I'm going on. So this was yeah, we did I go look for my grandma when I got country, and everybody have on black top and black bottom or full suit of black. I don't know why I think it was started with just two of us dressing in black, and then everybody else was like, black theme, okay fine, let's do this. I'm actually trying to find a picture of everybody. Would it just look like, see here, what did I go out? Everybody have on black. Yeah, everybody was wearing black. So here is sort of where me are coming to myself now. I'ma start realize, say, you know, me start to look nice, but the makeup did way whiter than my face. Was way whiter than my face, because before that, me never used to wear makeup. So actually, my sister makeup, she did put on her makeup on my face. And blah blah blah. And here is where I started to look like the me that I am today. So basically, guys, this is it for me reacting to my old pictures. I can't seem to find a picture that will make me really go, And perhaps your opinion is some of these pictures would really make you go, but, yeah. So, anyway, guys, if you like the video, don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And, of course, if you feel compelled, you can, of course, go ahead and drop a comment. Make it nice, but drop a comment. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Remember to follow me on my Instagram at Kimmy_official. I'll see you in the next video. Love y'all.